Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add the Home Up option for your app drawer on your Samsung Galaxy device running One UI 8. So when you go ahead and access the app drawer, if you tap on the three dots, you'll see the Home Up option. Now to add this feature into your app drawer, you need to go ahead and enable a feature. So to do this, you want to go ahead and first open up the GoodLock app. In the GoodLock app, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find Home Up. Now tap on home screen, and then here you're going to find this option called Use Settings dialog on home screen. So go ahead and turn this feature on. Now press home, now tap on the app drawer, then tap on the three dots, and you'll see your Home Up option right here. So this is perfect for organizing apps the way you want, whether that's by grid size, alphabetical order, or custom categories. This makes app access more efficient. So there you go, guys. That is how to add the Home Up option for your app drawer on your Samsung Galaxy device running One UI 8.